Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for hanging with me a bit today. Super excited you're here so I can share my Curateur box with you today. Curateur is through Rachel Zoe, who used to do Box of Style, and now she has a whole Premier Shopping membership, as you can see from the box. But she still does her seasonal subscription, which I love. So now we are into her fall curation of goodies, and we're going to dig right into my box. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks. I like to hang out in the room. Zena's the tan puppy dog, Wyatt's white puppy dog. We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so I love Curateur. I have been doing this for so many years, I can't even remember. But I feel like Rachel Zoe puts together this really nice curation of about 5 pieces that give you a little bit of luxury for each season. And let's see, she said, what's inside our fall curation? Our latest creation is here to help you achieve effortless style this fall. Refresh your wardrobe and beauty routine with a few of Rachel Zoe's autumn favorites and step into the season feeling glamorous. Here, learn why she selected each piece especially for you. All right, so we will go through each piece, and she had 2 customizable pieces where you could pick between 2 items. I love that she does that, so no 2 are really alike because you can pick what you like. And let's do it. Curateur is $125 a season, or you can buy for the entire year at once, and then it's $400. Each curation, so each box is valued around $400 or more. So that's what you're getting for the $125. Okay, here's what I see when I open my box. So she's got everything all neatly packaged. My box, for some reason, must have been through a water storm of some sort, because mine was drenched when I got it. But luckily, everything is wrapped in plastic. It's all safe and sound. So let's do this. First up, I see a scarf. Look how pretty this is. So this is the Bismaya Rhapsody scarf. The retail value of this is $32. It says this scarf's gorgeous fall colors pair perfectly with dark denim and a crisp white button down or a camel cashmere sweater. I love that idea. Wear it more classically around the neck with a chic knot, or try it in your hair or tie it to your bag's handle. Look how pretty that is. Would look really pretty with cream as well, or with black. It looks like it's going to go with everything. It's in a classic square. Actually, it somehow even goes with what I'm wearing, doesn't it? Seems to like go with everything. Super pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. What do you think, Wyatt? Very, very pretty. All right, next up, jewelry. I love me some amazing jewelry. This is the Crystal Haze, and you got a choice between the sparkle hoops or the chain drop. And I chose the hoops because I'm a hoop girl. You can see I have hoops in now. But I chose the hoops. The hoops were valued at $108. That's the retail. And then the chain drop earrings are $86. That you even get a little jewelry pouch to put them in once you open them up. Here's my hoops, but let me show you in the picture so you can see the 2 choices. So those were the drop, the hoop. The drops are very, very pretty as well. You could, if you go in and there's still some left when you make your customizations, you could request both if you wanted to and just pay the extra. And you would not pay the $86 fee. It is a deeply discounted fee if you wanted to get both. So these are very pretty, very pretty. Check these out. Very pretty. I like those. It says the added sparkle transforms these classic styles into standout pieces. The hoops are sophisticated enough to be worn on a night out, yet subtle enough to be styled with casual attire for that effortlessly chic look. Chain link jewelry never goes out of style. I wear them with a stack of small hoops and studs, but they also make a statement on their own. These are pretty. They're lightweight too, so just keep that in mind. They're not heavy. They're light and airy. Very, very pretty. So nice. I'm excited. All right, next up is something from Sturm. This is Dr. Barbara Sturm Molecular Cosmetics. Full size. Retail value is, I had to double check, $320. This is hyaluronic serum. She says, I swear this serum is like youthful skin in a bottle. The hydrated look and feel it gives you is immediately noticeable, but over time the results get better and better. I can't wait to try this. I'm hoping I'm not addicted since I'm not going to want to pay $320. However, I will tell you that you can, as a member of Rachel's site, so once you join and get the subscription, you can shop her site and you would be able to get this at a much less price, much less, if you decide that you would love something like this. So this is in, it says intensive ingredient concentrate hyaluronic serum with short chain and long chain hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid works like an intensive moisturizing treatment and has an immediate effect. It helps to give the skin an instant freshness boost and visibly reduce fine lines. Purslane is rich in beneficial antioxidants to assist the skin's own antioxidant system and protects sensitive skin membranes against attacks by free radicals and therefore against the appearance of premature skin aging. All right, we are going to try that out for sure. Then I have Mellow Cosmetics. This is lip gloss in Tahiti. Retail value is $16. When I'm aging, we're all aging every day. When I'm going for a natural look, this subtly sparkling gloss gives just enough glam, but I also love applying it over my favorite deep fall shades for added shine. So this is Mellow Lip Gloss. And we're going to check it out right now because I can't wait. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so my lips are super dry right now, so this feels heavenly. And I think it looks nice. What do you think? Mellow. Retails for $16. All right, and we have one last item. It was the second customization. And it is the Kayla plus Ava Miranda Crossbody in Cognac or Black. I chose the Cognac. We're going to dig into this. It says, I love a very functional bag in fall. This one goes from crossbody to clutch in a second, so you won't need to switch it out all season. Plus, it's still so chic and modern. So this is what the two colors look like. And I got this one, but you could have got the black, which is also so chic, and the retail value is $80. All right, let's check this out. And one of the requirements I always have for my crossbodies, which makes me crazy because it limits me, is it has to fit my wallet. And my wallet, unfortunately, is large. It's like the full wallet. And this one looks like it's going to fit it, which makes me super happy. Super happy. What do you think, C? I'm obviously making too much noise. Look how cute that is. So it has the snap there in the front. Then it has all kinds of room here inside. Look how thick that was, which I think is the size of my wallet, but see that? Lots of room there. Has an extra pocket here. And then it has, so it has the hooks on the side for you to create your crossbody. Has a nice pocket here in the back as well. Little clutch, so you can just snap this right shut. And then you have your little clutch. I love that it has the handle. You can also tuck it under your arm, but I love that it has the little handle too. And then you have the little crossbody straps to create that crossbody look also, which is Such a nice added feature. And I'm guessing you guys want to see what that looks like in case you would like to give this subscription a try. If you have not tried the Curateur seasonal subscription yet, which I love. And she always includes fun stuff. There's almost always jewelry. There is almost always a cute little bag for this season, whether it be like a beach bag for the summer or a fun little holiday clutch like at winter time or fall. So there's always very useful products. A wearable like this fun little scarf I have on, which I already have it acted like I wore it today. There we go. I wasn't opening it properly. And then this is adjustable, so you can make this shorter or a little bit longer if you want, which is nice. And there we go. It comes down to a nice length. I would probably shorten it up just a little bit, but it's a perfect little crossbody bag. What do you think of all these amazing goodies? From the scarf to my amazing earrings. I'm like ready to go now. I feel like all dressed up. I've got my bag. I've got my scarf. I've got my earrings. Got my lip gloss on. I just need to start my try. I did this backwards for you, so I'll do it one more time here so you guys can see that. I just need my anti-aging serum here to start to use on my face, and I'm like ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let me know what you think. This was fun. Love it. Love it. Love it. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That's what I thought. You could have got the other earrings instead, or the black in this bag. In fall, I seem to always kind of like going for the cognac. So I will put all the information for Curateur down below for you. I'll also put my link. If you use my link, you should get, I think it's $15 towards your subscription. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.